Hello guys, welcome in third episode of Never Too Late for Make Game. Finally, I have some successes which I want to share with you. I have finished my little chain event which I dream about. So there we go. We have main quest called Last Day in Office. Almost all descriptions are not yet final, but I tried to put them as close to final to never forget what I wanted to achieve in that or another one task. So here we have hint. I will need to find permissions, case file and my passport. Very well. I'm going to my office. I'm gonna check email. Here I had permissions, letter to Dr. Idris, which was mentioned in email, and in journal entry about what exactly is that. And that's first one of 3 required items. I'm gonna take that key that I will leave for now. So here we are. I have my drawer with book inside, and finally I have my locked drawer. Steven, as he promised, contacted with me. He provided me with really detailed instruction with video, all modification which he made for make that work like as I dreamed about. We have him in PC, which recently had like little snap of camera when we talk. Finally, it's everything fixed. I will say at the end a couple tips how you can set up easily an PC like that. So let's talk with Jeffrey. Yes, we still have some things. Yeah, something like that. Jeffrey is worried. Why you are worried? He lost his toolset, and we got another quest. Jeffrey toolset. He's looking for his toolset. Fortunately, I notice I have something on my desk. Yes, it's a Jeffrey toolset. Hello, Jeffrey. Yes, I found your toolset. I'm glad I could help you. So, I found Jeffrey with his toolset. Then I'm trying to find out what else I can do here. I had that key on my desk. Here's another key. Here's my passport. So I have 2 of required items. Last key opened that door, and here is a portal which, when I have all required elements, let me go to the next map. But seems like I'm out of options, and I still have locked drawer. I don't see anything else. I'm gonna ask Jeffrey. Oh, what a coincidence! It's my keys. Happy Jeffrey gave me keys. Now when we back to him, he will have just standard talk to us. Doesn't matter what we say. However, we can change that. Since we have key, we can back here. We can unlock drawer and take our case file. It's customizable item, so I added a description. You can simply look into that case files, read them. You can later on back here. You can at any time look and read again if you have something like that added. Okay, because we had our quest done before you leave, so we will leave. And here we are, next map, not touched yet. I'm not sure about next steps. Should I put more events, more polishing touches on the very first map, or do something basic like on that first one on next maps? I will just simply see. I'm usually working like I feel like that will progress me something. So for example, when I really stuck with my drawer with my NPC, I work on development first level. Here we have only basic rooms for test and design quests. Maybe as you remember from very first movie, I had some similar layout. Like corridor, 3 rooms. Idea is that it's just part of building, it's bigger complex, so obviously I will need a bit more space for plan all events. As I promised, here's a closer look at NPC. Where was my problem before? Here's my dialogue graph actor, and it's very linear. I tried previously solve my problems building logic in NPC, but it didn't work perfectly, as you've seen in that very short clip when I'm showing that snap. That was really annoying. So I ended with custom event which adding task to list, which is over there. Yeah. That's the name of the quest toolset, and here in moment when I'm telling to my NPC don't lose your hope, that activates this event. Then I added a tag, and here's our magic. Here it's all what you need to build as many branches of your dialogue. You simply need assign a tag and assign a correct data table, and that's it. I missed that little element about consequential switching. I simply didn't see that. I tried hard right in blueprints. The best effect was still not satisfying me. That's why you always have to go with that what you have and work with that instead trying build on that weird constructions. At least unless you are not really experienced user. I'm not, I'm learning, I'm happy so far with my progress, and I think that's all for now. I'll see you next time.